Hi,
Hello.
we're Romee and Ruud, and this is our wooden yurt. But this is Boef. He comes from Bulgaria. So we had this empty wall, but we had a lot of books, and we got all these things from second-hand shops and just made them on the wall and created a nice bookshelf situation. And then over here is the bathroom. We also made this barn door from second-hand material. It used to be a shed in somebody's garden. So come in. This is the bathroom. We just have a normal shower, normal toilet because we have water and electricity. And also our washing machines and dryer. Actually, it's quite luxurious for a tiny home.
At first we had normal grips for this tap, but they kept falling off, so I put spoons on there. And we're still working on this piece of art with beads that actually came from one of these things you have on your car seat. Yeah. We like using stuff that's broken.
This is our wardrobe. We've just painted it in this color because it used to be gray, but we are getting rid of all the gray in the house because we like green. And yeah, we just have a lot of stuff clothing because we also have a vintage clothing shop. So we just keep on finding stuff. So we need a lot of space for that. We're not really the minimalistic kind of tiny house people. We are gatherers. Yeah, so this is my part and this is Ruud's part.
I'm not going to show my part.
It's too messy. I'm also going to keep this closed, I think. And yeah, here's just our games. And here's a lot of stuff we made from the garden, like oils and medicine. So this is our swing. We just found it at the second-hand store and actually wanted to put it outside. But then we figured it would be nice to be able to swing inside. Yeah, we really like it. Most of the stuff we get for the house, almost everything is second-hand. And also the materials we use to build the house.
This is the place where we put all our music instruments until we got too many. So now a lot of them are at our atelier. But that's where all the clothing from the shop is and a lot of more guitars. And yeah, we just find them everywhere and then we have to bring them.
So that's what you're doing for a living? You're playing music?
Yeah. Well, we do music and we have the vintage clothing shop. And we also have kind of a theater act. But yeah, music is
the main.
What we do the most, I think.
Yeah.
And planting trees, but that doesn't make us any money.
Makes us fruit though.
Yeah.
So this is our pellet heater. It's an efficient way to heat up the space. So it uses these little things that are not here now. Oh yeah, like this, pressed wood. And it's an electrical system, so you can choose the temperature and it's very easy to decide how warm you want it to get. This is Snow. She's cute and she's also from Bulgaria. And she really minds her own business around here. She goes outside, play with the neighbors. Yeah, this is the living room. We don't really sit here a lot, actually. The dogs use the couch more than we do. But in winter, we really like to sit here and read books or drink tea in the morning. But we have this space upstairs that is our chill room. That's where we sit more, I think.
Yeah.
And all the windows are recycled, so it's second-hand.
We found all the windows and the doors on Marketplace or the place.
The Dutch eBay.
The Dutch eBay. And yeah, just actually built a house around the doors and the windows we found. I started building by myself because we didn't meet yet. And I really wanted to put up a yurt, like a real tent yurt. But I figured that it would get moldy soon if you travel, and I like to travel. So I thought of making a yurt from wood. And so, but I'm not like a designer. I drew the sketch of the house, and then carpenter drew the design. So and then I built it together with that guy, and I started collecting all the doors and all the material from different places, and then we started. There's some new things like the beams for the roof, because of course we needed to have good size beams, but that's actually the only thing.
We're really into plants, so this is one of Romee's projects. It's a biodome, and it has all kinds of plants in it. And this monstera actually we found in a dumpster of a garden center, as well as some of the plants that are on the next floor.
It's actually a lot of work to take care of all these plants now, because we have a little jungle.
Yeah.
And this table is actually a very old table. It used to be from my mother's grandma. It's very nice because it's really small enough for this space, but big enough to eat with a lot of people.
We like collecting stuff, so we go to thrift stores a lot, and then bring home a lot of vinyl records. And, I think when the drawer is full, we should stop.
Yeah, probably. Sometimes we bring things we just try out from the second-hand shop, and it's not always a success, but sometimes we discover new music like this. So this is the kitchen. We have a very nice kitchen with induction stove and an oven and even a dishwasher. And plenty of space to be in here at the same time. So one person can be cooking and the other one can be taking care of these plants or doing anything else or drying food. And yeah, it's just we didn't want to save up space for the kitchen because we really like to cook and bake. And also we made this herbs rack with the same way we made the bookshelves, just little cabinets from second-hand shops. And then, filled the wall.
And you have proper electric boiler?
Yeah, just a normal electric boiler. We've been planning on making something in front of it, but didn't happen yet. So
but the stickers are nice.
Put on some nice stickers.
And we use this window to get some new trees growing for the garden. This pickup I got from my parents when I was like 5 or something, and I always was pretending to be a DJ when I was young, and it's nice to still have it and it still works.
We bought these two also from the second-hand shop and just made the whole thing fit in there, so we can also hide it if we're not using it.
So you still have a cassette player, because on cassette.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have cassette.
I record on cassette sometimes still. I have a 4-track cassette recorder.
I bet many people don't know what's that.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's this? It's like prehistoric. People know this because it's in. Hip now. We also made these stairs ourselves. Just wanted to be small, but not so small that it's scary to go up and down. Yeah. And then we have to crawl a bit when we get up, because it's...
In the middle you almost can stand.
Yeah,
you can stand
here you can stand. So you don't really have to crawl. But yeah. Here I'm in the jungle. This box is storage for extra blankets. We actually found it yesterday.
Yeah.
It's from Paramaribo, because it says on top, so it's pretty cool. And we found this bamboo bed. We really like to have a big bed, even though the space is not so big.
Because we like sleeping a lot.
Because we like sleeping. And this is Simba, who is also a stray cat. who found us on one of our travels. So I've built the house in a way that you can still take it apart when we have to leave, because this spot is temporary for 5 years. Now I know that it's going to be longer. It's probably going to be 10 years. But I made all the beams in a way that you can take them out if you have to move the house. And also the walls are put together in a way that you can separate them and then bring them to your new spot. But it sounds easier than it will be, I guess.
So when all the design was done, how long it took to build it?
Well, I started in January and I was about done in June. So yeah, a little less than half a year.
And you did by yourself or you hired contractors?
Yeah, I did it with the carpenter and also with friends and family. But we worked on it almost every day. So yeah. And I didn't know how to build anything before I started, so it was a big learning curve as well. I was inspired by the yurt, and I really liked the round shape of a yurt and the feeling of a round house like that. And also the structure of the roof from a yurt. I thought it was very beautiful, so I really wanted to make it look a bit like that and have light from the top to have a natural feeling also when you wake up in the morning. Yeah.
And how many square meters in total?
So it's 50 square meters, and then we also have this, so I would say 70. Yeah, so it's not really tiny. It's actually big, but yeah. So this is our little chill space. As I mentioned, we're not really chilling on the couch as much. So at the end of the day, we mostly go here. And we also have a TV hidden under here. We don't have TV connection, but then we can watch something from the laptop or read a book. They're here for fun. We're not going to eat them. It's gone wild. Yeah. We've also rescued them from somebody. Thank you for watching our house tour, and we are Holy Fools, and you can find us on Instagram.
Bye.